Hey, welcome to Power Listing, the very first AI built to help you create full Amazon listing. My name is Mark. I'm one of the many people that help bring this project to fruition. I'll walk you through how to create a listing. Let's take a look. Okay, over here, the first thing we want to do is to name our project. This is because as you create more and more of these listings, you want a way to be able to find these pretty easily. So we're going to create one today for resistance bands. If I had an existing one, I would just click here and I would select from this list, but let's create a new one. Okay, let's start with your brand because that's very important to bring, right? So let's call this brand Go Fit. Hopefully that's not already taken. And as I mentioned, we're going to sell resistance bands. So on step 3, we want to know what type of product it is. What's the highest value keyword? So it is a resistance band. Okay, so let's dig into what type of products show up when you search for resistance band. And it's important that you put your most important keyword here, because what we want to do is give our AI a bunch of listings that are similar, a bunch of products that are similar, because we're going to scrape down all the content and figure out how to create a listing out of that. So it's super important to kind of create, to make sure that you get things that match. So as you mouse over, you can see, okay, well, there's a title. Yep, that looks like a good one. And you want to select at least 10. You can select up to 20, but we've noticed the sweet spot is around 10. So if you can get 10 products in here, that'll give you a good one. And if you this doesn't really work for you, if you need, let's do workout resistance bands, you can continue to search and you can add a bunch of different products as well, right? So you can search, or if you wanted to manually enter ASINs, like if you just know who your competition is or know who you want to target, you just click on this link and then just add a comma-separated list of ASINs here. But I've already got mine done, so let's go ahead and move on. All right, so from this step, we'll go on and select our keywords to exclude. So these are all keywords that came from the products that you just selected previously. So we see these as high-value keywords, and what you want to do is go through and, for example, if you can identify any brands that are in here, like this looks like a brand right here. I'm not sure if that's a brand right there. That looks like a brand. That's one good thing. You want to eliminate the brands from here because this is just, the AI doesn't really know what a brand is. It just takes words and it fits them together in a way that reads really nicely. So if it happened to be a brand in there, take it out. Numbers are also an interesting thing. So if the number doesn't match your product, you probably want to exclude those as well. And if different kind of specifications in here, so 200 pounds is like a thing that it's important part of your product, and you want to either exclude it because your 250 pounds are included or what have you. And if you want to add your own set right here, just like adding in your own ASINs, you can add keywords to exclude here. Maybe they come from your negative campaigns for PPC, for example. So once that's done, we just need to do one final step here, which is to confirm. So I'm just going to take a look at all the information that I filled in over here on the right side. So yep, the project name is right. The marketplace is the US. The brand is Go Fit. I'm selling resistance brands. These are the products that are in, and these are the excluded keywords. Now, if at any point you want to go and you need to edit anything, you can always go back. But if you're ready to go, let's submit this and move on to the next step.